Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, from anywhere and anytime you are watching me from all over the surface of the earth. My name is Olatosi Honesty. I'm meant to bring you these cryptocurrency videos. By now, I'm very sure in this bull run, most of you are very much profitable, except those people I can't really say because a lot of people are just jumping in because of the pump right now. But many people has been on this bull since last year, and I've really updated it. As many people that are following us on social media handles, they were so much aware of the update of this third bull because before now I made an update on Instagram and Twitter. Let's show you what he said. Okay, now I think this update was made by June 9. This update was made by June 9, 2020 last year after the third halving. I was saying, let's see. I said for those that really understand, this might be the last phase of time to see Bitcoin below 10,000 US dollar. It can still be bearish in a very short time, but don't be disappointed. Take advantage of this moment. We are to see minimum $70,000 by 2021. We see this 2021 and it has been on a bull run. When I updated this, Bitcoin does not look like it. Many people were laughing at me and saying a whole sort of things. But I was so confident of what I was saying. I said minimum $70,000. Even I'm very sure that this $70,000 is still very much undervalued. Before the end of this video, I will show you my price prediction and when we are to see the all time. So you have to sit down and watch this video till the end. The main reason why I'm bringing this is because why we have acquired a whole lot of knowledge, because knowledge is very profitable. I've been in this market for the past 3 years. So I can say that if I knew what I know presently, made a better decision because knowledge is very important. Even the scripture tell us, let's see, that is Daniel 11:32. It says, "Some shall deal wickedly against the covenant, shall he corrupt by flatteries. But they that do know their God shall be strong, and they shall do exploits." So you need knowledge, but the number one knowledge you need to do exploits in life, the secret to life is you knowing God, knowledge of God. So your knowledge of God is very important. They that do know their God shall be strong. So anywhere you are here to be saved. You better see God. It is for your own benefit. So minimum 70K by 2021. We tell you the price prediction before the end of the video. You are sitting down there, click the subscription, the red subscription button, click the like buttons and share the videos to your friends, your colleagues and your loved ones, and we get moments, we get start in the video. Now we are going to be looking at our update. We'll be bringing you some charts. Looking at it presently, this chart might not really give us what we need. So what this video is majorly focused on is many people has been very much profitable by now in cryptocurrency, but I'm very sure that a whole lot of people are going to lose the money that they have made. A whole lot of people are going to lose the money that they have made, just like it happens in 2017. Many people made good profits and they lost it. Most people lost larger percentage of their profit and many people lost all their profits. So because they have made profit and it was dropping and they couldn't bear it any longer, so they had to sell at loss. So for you not to fall into that trap, so that's why I'm bringing this video. Sit down until the end of the video. Let's go straight away to it. This is the chart. I think I have to use blockchain chart, but it's not giving me the updates that I need. So I'm going to be talking about my 9-month discovery interval in the cryptocurrency space. It started since 2012. I've looked at a whole lot of updates. This chart might not give me what I need, but let's go to this updated record. We know about halving. Halving is an event that happens approximately once in every 4 years. First halving happened in November 28th, 2012. So Bitcoin price then was, you can imagine, it was around $12. So don't mind my price quotation. Different exchanges have different price. We will be sticking to the index price, the price on index. Let's go to 2012. Please, I'm using this because I believe that it will give us a more precise data. So it will give us a more precise data. Let's go to 2012. So the highest value we got to before the first all-time high in 2012 is the highest value we ever got to before that all-time before the first halving was July 8th 2011. July 8th 2011, and the value highest all-time high then was $30. Bitcoin trading at $30. That was 2011. That was the all-time high. Thereafter it dropped down to as low as $2-3. So before the halving, mind you, before the first halving, we still dropped low as $2-3. Halving occurred at November 28, 2012. Let's go there. What was the price of Bitcoin at the point of the halving? November 28, 2012. Bitcoin was approximately $12. Bitcoin was approximately $12. As you can see on the screen, it was approximately $12. It is highlighted here. So now, what is the discovery now? I discovered that after each of the halving, the all-time high we get before the halving, now after the halving, by the time we are now getting to the all-time high, 9 more from the point we got to the previous all-time high, we reach a new high. So now, as you can see, the price before this halving, the all-time high before this first halving was $30, and halving occurred when Bitcoin was approximately $12. So now 9 months, that was my discovery. 9 months after we reach the previous all-time high, after the halving, that is when we reach our blow off top. So now let's look at the time in which we get our $30 by February 20, 2013. So don't forget, we have reached this all-time high by 2011, but we are getting there now by February 2013. February 2013. So let's count 9 months from this interval. 9 months adding to February, that should be by November. So that means we are getting our all-time high. We are getting new all-time high by November. That was the blow off top for the first halving. So let's check it by November, and I'm telling you that by November, almost November 28, 2013, that same year, we got our all-time high. As you can see, it keeps on increasing. So approximately November 29, just a year, exactly by a year, we got all-time high. Can't you see? Very amazing. We got all-time high of 1,000 to approximately $1,200 by November 29. So then that was the first halving. So this 1,207 now remain our next all-time high before the next halving. The highest price we are getting to now is now 1,207 based on this our price index. So now let's now look at the time we get there. The second halving occurred July 9, 2016. So now don't forget, our all-time high now is approximately $1,200. So let's check the next all-time next halving. That is July 9, 2016. July 9. Let's get there, please. That's why you're using the data for me. July 9, 2016, second halving. Approximately. So looking at it, the Bitcoin price then was approximately $650 by July 9. And don't forget, the all-time high we have ever gotten to before this time is approximately $1,200. Now this is the second halving. Our second halving occurred, that was July 9, 2016, at $652. Bitcoin trading at $652. So now let's now check the time we get to the previous all-time high after the second halving. So don't forget, previous all-time high was approximately $1,200. So let's look at the time in which we get back to $1,200. Let's look at when we get to $1,200. That should be around March 2017. Let's check $1,200. Okay, let's see. This is January 2017. We are trading. We traded at $900. Let's check $1,200. $1,200. February we got $1,000. Let's check $1,200. Yeah, $1,200. We got $1,200 by March, as you can see. So March 1st we got to 1,000. I think this the price is $1,223. That was the time we got to our previous all-time high of $1,200 as 2013 November 29. Don't forget. So now let's calculate 9 months from this time. So calculating 9 months from March, that means by December we should see the blow off top. So let's now check it at the time we are now getting our new all-time high. So by December you should be getting our new all-time high. Calculating the 9 months, let's see, it's still increasing. December 2017, don't forget, yeah, this November, 5,000, $8,000. Don't forget we are coming from $650, 10,000, 11,000, 16,000. Now December 16, we got to a new all-time high, approximately 9 months. So now this is the third halving, which occurred. The third halving occurred May 11, 2020. So don't forget our new all-time high presently is at approximately 19,400. So let's check the price at the third halving, May 11, 2020. The price is approximately $8,500. So now we now have to look at, don't forget what we have checked from the first halving, the second halving, the datas, and let's now compare it to what is going to happen in this third halving. And by the time we are going to see, when we are going to see our all-time high and or our blue off top, the next blue off top or all-time high, don't forget history might not repeat itself exactly, but it's always rhyme. It might not repeat itself exactly, but it's always rhyme. Let's check. So 19,400, when are we getting to 19,400? Last year I was checking the data, we got to 19,400 approximately by December. We got there, was it December? We got to around 19,400. Yeah, that was November last year. We reached almost 19,400 last year November. So this November 30, I think there was some exchanges that got there by November 20 something. But based on this exchange, we are getting next all-time high approximately 19,000. Don't forget we are looking, okay, let's pick this date, November 14, as the time that it reached the previous all-time high of 19,400. So now we are getting to the previous all-time high by November 24. If we look at what happened 2012 to 2013, looking at what happened 2016 to 2017, and now bringing it to this 2020 to 2021. So counting 9 months from this time we got to previous all-time high, it then means it's going to give us by August, 9 months from November. So it's going to give us August. It then means personally based on data. So I'm looking at the blow off top or the next all-time high around August, September, approximately August, September. So by August, September, we should be getting to the all-time high. So we should not be greedy, because many people made a whole lot of money 2017, then they lost it to the bear run. So they lost almost all or major part of the money to the bear run. So that's why I'm bringing you this video. So help your friends, help your loved ones, share this video with them, click the like button, click the subscription buttons, and share it with your friends and your loved ones so that they can have this knowledge that you have acquired now. So now looking at this one, what is my price prediction? Just as I've said on our page, I said minimum $70,000 by 2021. Don't forget I was posting this June last year, June 9, 2020. So I was predicting Bitcoin was below $10,000. I was predicting minimum $70,000. So and presently we have reached $60,000. Presently Bitcoin is trading at $57,000. Presently Bitcoin is trading at $57,000. Let's check an hourly charts. Okay, presently Bitcoin is trading at $57,000. Let's see. Yeah, Bitcoin is presently trading at $57,000. We've gotten to $61,000 plus. So now what is my price prediction? I'm very certain that minimum we are going to reach 100,000. Now based on this, bro, we reach $70,000 is very much undervalued, I must tell you, because 2012 just retail traders moved the price to almost 9,000%. 2017 major participants were retail traders. We have a lot of people, JP Morgan, posting a lot of things against Bitcoin. Now, this 2020, not just retail traders, we have companies, we have institutional traders, we have Elon Musk coming in. Many people are participating to move the price as this stock having. So, which price am I predicting? I'm very certain now that we are going to reach $100,000. Then play based on price prediction on stock to flow ratio model is predicting almost $300,000. We are predicting almost $300,000. It is very likely we get to $400,000-$500,000 in this bull run. It might not look like it, but it will shock you. Note, this is not a financial advice. Do your own research before putting your huge amount of your money in any investment, in anything. Do your own research, please. So, but personally, I'm very sure that we should reach minimum $100,000. Then based on price action analysis, we are looking at $300,000, which is very feasible. Then there is tendency of we getting to $400,000, $500,000 by August, September. Then don't forget, my prediction for the blow off top or the next all-time high is by August, September. So if you are getting there, please ensure you start taking profits. So in the next video, I'm going to be telling you and be showing you, making it known to you, the strategies that you are going to be using. I'm going to be telling you the strategies that you are going to be using in taking your profits. I'm going to be telling you the strategies you'll be using in taking your profit. And thank you very much. Once again, don't forget to click the subscription buttons, the bell, and click the like buttons. Share the videos to your friends and to your loved ones. And I see you in the next video.